which is greater 251 power 501, 251 power 501 or 501 factorial, which is greater 251 power 501 or 501 factorial. One is a power and another is a factorial number. Which one is greater? Some students, what they will do is 501 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 to 250, 251. So 252 is greater than 251, 253 is greater than 251. All that advanced level mathematical skills we will see. But first thing what is important is fundas. Here it is always when I am solving mathematics question, I will go through the concept 251 and 501. What it is related? 501 factorial. 501 factorial it is. N factorial it is the product of all the natural numbers from 1 to n. So 501 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 till 501. Oh, what is the base here? 251. From where 251 we will get? From 1 into 2 into 3 till 501. The number before 501 is 500. Oh, if I observe first term plus last term by 2, 1 plus 501 by 2, 502 by 2, 251. Second plus second last term by 2, 2 plus 500 by 2, 502 by 2, again 251. First term plus last term by 2 is giving you 251. Second term plus second last term is giving you 251. First term plus last term by 2, what it is? AM. Are the numbers distinct? Yes. So definitely the idea is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. I am taking arithmetic mean. It is greater than. These are the product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 501. Product will come in geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. What is arithmetic mean? Now, sir, why it cannot be greater than or equivalent to? Numbers are distinct. Numbers are distinct. We will write whenever numbers are distinct or different, that means equal to sign will not come. Numbers are distinct. Numbers are distinct. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. What is arithmetic mean? First term plus last term by 2. Ft it is the first term. Lt it is the last term. Greater than. Geometric mean. If 2 terms are there, square root of 2 terms. If 3 terms are there, it is cube root of 3 terms. If 501 5 terms are there, 501th root of 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 501. That logic you should get it in your mind. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. From where you got the idea arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean? First term plus last term by 2. So here it will be first term it is 1 plus 501 divided by 2 is greater than 501th root of 501 factorial. So these will become 251 power 501 greater than 501 factorial. Very, very interesting question it is. 251 power 501 is greater than 501 factorial. Remember, factorial is defined as the product of all natural numbers from 1 to n. Whenever product is there, the thumb rule to solve this kind of questions are there. Whenever the product it is there, product or in the question is in the form of a factorial. Product means use geometric mean. Product means use geometric mean. Sum means use arithmetic mean. Sum means use arithmetic mean. Whenever the numerical values reciprocal of the sum is there, reciprocal of the sum is there, use harmonic mean. Use harmonic mean. There are 4 means are there. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean and quartile mean. And quartile mean, which we call it as in our mathematical textbook, root mean square. Product means geometric mean. Sum means arithmetic mean. Reciprocal means harmonic mean. Reciprocal means harmonic mean. Remember these thumb rule. Very, very beautiful question where you can solve it just by looking at a question. Now what we will do? We will do one more question. Another question. Similarly, just for practice, each and every concept video should help you out to learn some concepts. 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. Which one is greater? 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. The first thing is, this is the sum of the reciprocal. That means harmonic mean I should use. Harmonic mean I should use, because just now we discussed that harmonic mean is a sum of the reciprocals. Product means geometric mean. Sum means arithmetic mean. What are the numbers are there? 1001 reciprocality is there, 1002 reciprocality is there, till 3001 reciprocality is there. So what we will use? AM, the numbers are distinct, so AM greater than HM. AM greater than HM. Is the idea clear? What is arithmetic mean? First term plus last term by 2. 1001 plus 3001 by 2. 1001 plus 3001 by 2. Harmonic mean. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Listen carefully, sir. If A1, A2, A3 and till AN, A1 to AN, if they are positive real numbers, arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities A1 to AN by N. Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is the reverse of arithmetic mean. First do the reciprocal. 1 by A1, 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. By N. This is the arithmetic mean. Harmonic mean is reciprocal. So N by 1 by A1, 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. I hope the idea it is clear. How many terms are there? From 1001 to 3001. How to calculate the number of terms? Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 3001 minus 1001. 2000 plus 1. 2001. 2001 divided by 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001. 4002 divided by 2, 2001, cancel. 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 3001. It is greater than 1. It is greater than 1. Fantastic question. In the third question, we discussed the correlation between AM and HM. In the second question, we discussed the correlation between AM and HM. In the first question, we discussed how to make the bases closer to a certain power. I hope these three concepts are very, very interesting and thought-provoking for each one of you. In case if you are a student who has not downloaded ANC app, kindly download ANC app, and there is an installment facility available for you to enroll for any of the courses. Alternatively, you can always WhatsApp 80500678991 for a mentoring session with me, absolutely free. Thank you. With love, Anil Nair.